Hi everyone. So this is what I'm working with today. And I need to trim those tomatoes. Yeah, all my green stalks have gone wild. Right, so I don't know if you can see that. So I'm trying to string this plant. And that's the Tess Land Race kind tomato. And you can see it has lots of little fruit. So my goal is to string it onto this plane so it stops trying to go up. Alright. Where we are at so far. So those poor tomatoes right there are completely covered. And the stem broke right there. So I definitely needed to do some trimming here. See. And we'll be right back. Alright, so that's the damage. She's looking very naked, but I'm okay with that. And like my mom is always telling me, you have to decide whether you're growing leaves or you're going to grow fruit. So let's see how that turns out over the next few weeks. Great. I think we are done. Alright, everyone. That's it for today. And I'm going to do the same thing. This one. And with that one. So that's all the leaves that we got out. Okay, bye teenies.